Hey friends, if you wish to stop the auto reopen of programs after restart on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now it's not very difficult. Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Task Manager. Now go to the Startup tab on the list on the left hand side. Click on Status twice so that all of these apps are arranged by the ones which are enabled on the top. Check for the apps which are enabled. If you wish to disable a certain app, right click on it and select disable. Okay, so this is how you can stop the auto reopen of programs after restarting your Windows 10 Windows 11 computer. And moreover, you can also try one more fix, which is a clean boot. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services check, click on disable all, apply, okay, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.